Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Hamad and today we are going to discuss about how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2024. So if you are interested in this topic, please get back, sit relax and subscribe our channel. So let's get started. Basically, one of our clients eagerly awaited for an affiliate marketing program to be launched on his YouTube channel. He has a wide audience that he could promote our product and earn money cash. How much he can earn? It depends. We have a lot of products. You can market them and sell them to the customers and get your commission on that sale. It depends on many factors, but if we assume 1% of the subscriber buys the cheapest subscription, he will make almost $20,000. Truth be told, some affiliate marketers earn about $150K per month just from affiliate marketing. You can earn with the YouTube monetization also, but you can earn as well as from affiliate marketing. So the next topic is how to make money with affiliate marketing program, the formula. You will be surprised how simple the formula for earning money with affiliate marketing is. Here are the two variables you need, the two things you must have. An audience. Audience is very important. If you have an audience, you can sell everything to the audience. You can make customers. Through that way, you can earn a handsome commission. The second thing is affiliate program of any popular website like Amazon. If you can sign up as an affiliate marketer on Amazon and sell their products and get your commission. If you have a YouTube channel, you can promote Amazon's products on your channel, give your affiliate link in the description, and the person who and the viewer or buyer who is viewing your video can click on the link and go to the product and buy. Through that way, you will get a commission. This is called affiliate marketing. Okay. Who can and cannot make money with affiliate marketing? The next topic is who and who cannot make money with affiliate marketing. You can make money from affiliate marketing if you have a blog website. I mean, if you have a blog website, you can promote products of any kind, of any person, of any business. If you who is offering affiliate marketing. So you can sell their products and get a handsome commission. The second thing is you can develop a YouTube channel, regularly publish videos related to that products, and through that way you can earn handsome commission. Use another platforms like your social media. You can use those profiles and sell the products. This is also called affiliate marketing. In short, affiliate marketing is if you don't have any products physically, you can promote the products of the shop owner or the business owner or maybe e-commerce store owner. You can promote their products and sell to your audience. Through that way, you can get a commission and you can earn a handsome money. And the next topic is where to make money with affiliate marketing. Ideal affiliate marketing. By ideal, we mean that you do not make any additional effort to expand your audience for promoting products. Like if you are a financial consultant, accountant or practice advisor, you already have a pool of contacts or clients. If you have clients or contacts, You just need an affiliate program just from your niche. You can sell products according to your niche. If you are a accountant, you can sell subscription of the softwares or any other thing. You can sell their subscriptions. You can sell to your clients or customers. And the second thing is efficient affiliate marketing. Efficient affiliate marketing means that you constantly develop and expand your audience by publishing careful content and careful and useful content on your blog, video channel, other platforms like social media. Okay, you can use these online platforms like social media, your blog. You can also develop your own website. You can promote products on your website and give the link of the products, the platforms where the product is published. Your audience goes to that link, clicks on that link, and will be redirected to the website where the item is listed, and then he will add to cart and then pay to those person who have a website. After that, he will pay you a commission, maybe some percentage. If the product has a cost about $100, he will pay you $5 of the promotion. That's the affiliate marketing. So that's all from our side. In last, I want to discuss some best niches on which you have to do work to get a handsome commission. So the first niche is SEO, SEO niche. For example, SEO covers offline SEO and the online SEO. So you can sell the subscriptions of that person's. You can sell the subscriptions of the softwares to those persons who works on SEO. So this is the best solution for you. So this was the last topic of our video. So let's meet in next video. Have a good day.